How to use ChatGPT to write an essay. Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use ChatGPT to write your very own essays. So having said that, let's jump into the video. Now, as you can see, I'm on their main website, openai.com. Now, once you're over here, all you have to do is just simply scroll down, and underneath features, you're going to see ChatGPT along with other products that they offer. You're going to click on ChatGPT and it's going to open up this blog post where you can go ahead and try ChatGPT. You can scroll down and you can go ahead and read about ChatGPT. You can see some of the samples. You can go ahead and see some of the methods that they use, how it works, features, limitations, expectations, all of that. And you can go ahead and start using ChatGPT. So we click on try ChatGPT. It's going to open up right here, and over here you can go ahead and log in or sign up. The sign up process is very simple. You just enter in your email address and your password and anything else that they ask you, and you are good to go. Now I've already created an account, so I'm going to be logging in, and I'm going to log in with my Google account and continue with Google. And once you're logged in, you are good to go. Now all we need to do is just simply type in what we need. So over here we have our chats, and down below we have some options if we want to, but mainly this is where everything is going to happen. You're going to have your examples here, your capabilities here, and your limitations are over here. Make sure you read the limitations so that you know what you're doing. And having said that, let's move on. Now let's go ahead and find some different topics on how to write essays on. So over here I just searched some topics, right? And I also have, you can see an extension for ChatGPT as well, but if you want, you can go ahead and search it on the Chrome extension and it'll pop up, and this is actually very helpful sometimes. So over here, these are argumentative essay topics, so we could go ahead and write it. So maybe we could go with, should plastic be banned? Pollution due to urbanization, education should be free, should students get limited access to the internet, selling tobacco should be banned, all of that stuff, right? Smoking in public places should be banned. So let's go ahead and copy the first one. Should plastic be banned, right? We come over here and we'll just say write a argumentative essay on should plastic be banned. We'll just columns and hit enter. Now we're going to wait for it to, generate a response, and then we'll see how it looks, and, we'll read it out. So over here, as you can see, it wrote me an essay. I don't know if it's complete. Let me actually type in continue, because sometimes, it stops in the middle and you have to enter continue, and then it continues. So let me see if it actually continues from where it left off. Okay, so it is actually continuing, so we can even get more answers. So while it is generating that, let's go ahead and read a paragraph at the top, right? So over here, plastic is a ubiquitous material that is used in various forms and applications, ranging from packaging to household items and even in medical equipment. However, the widespread use of plastic has resulted in numerous environmental problems that are affecting our planet, including plastic waste, ocean pollution. In light of these issues, many people have called for a ban on plastic. In this essay, I will explain the arguments for and against a ban on plastic and whether such a ban is a viable solution to the plastic waste problem. So, one paragraph, it does seem like it did a good job. I don't know, but do let me know in the comment section. Do you think it was a good essay, or at least the start of it as well? Now, as you can see, it's a pretty long essay as well. Let me actually copy all of this and put it into a word counter to see how many words does it use. So we're going to go into word counter over here. We're going to paste it right here, and we're going to take this one as well. And we paste that. So it's around 646 words, which is okay, which is respectable. And it's around, I would say, 4 minutes. As you can see, we can even maybe ask it to continue on. So let's add it as well. Maybe we can get it as well. So it is, again, going to type more, but it does look like it's pretty, decent. Although, as I said before, it's not 100% accurate. So for you to actually go ahead and see if it is accurate or not, you're going to have to read it, and you're going to have to go ahead and check for the sources as well. And you can even ask ChatGPT to give you sources from where it got its information from. So let me actually let it complete, and then I can ask it for sources as well. Maybe we can see if we have a little bit different. option as well. So actually, I'm gonna go ahead and copy this. I'm gonna paste it over here, and I'm gonna say with sources, and I'm gonna hit enter. And okay, let me actually clear the conversation and try again. Now we're gonna ask it for sources as well. Let's see how it does. Okay, it's written it out again, and it gave us some sources as well, from where it got its information. So single-use plastic, a roadmap to sustainability, World Economic Forum 2020, gave us some sources. Looks really nice, looks really good. So you can go ahead and check for these sources, maybe see if it is accurate, because sometimes it's not 100% accurate. And in limitation, it does say that sometimes some of the things that it says can be false, so be wary of that. But overall, I think it did a pretty good job. And let me actually type in continue to see if it actually continues as well. So over here, if you wanted to have a longer essay, you can go ahead and just simply click on continue. It's going to go ahead and add a little bit more stuff to your essay or to your script or to your blog, whatever you want to write. And it's just going to overall make it a little bit longer. And then you can go ahead and check for any mistakes, any false statements and sources as well, so that you have a proper good essay with everything that is factual and 100% accurate as well. So over here I did pretty good. Again, it gave us some more sources as well, so we can go ahead and copy it. And I do believe it's also going to be around 600 words, just like the previous one that we wrote over here, and it should be good. And you can write other essays as well, like pollution due to urbanization, education should be free, or maybe easy essays as well. What are the 5 main types of essays? Expository, narrative, persuasive, argumentative, and descriptive. You can go ahead and whatever type of essay you want, and it will give you that type of essay. But yeah, generally this is how you use ChatGPT to write essays. You open it up, you type what you want, you give it your command or prompt, whatever you want to call it, hit the enter, wait for it to generate the response, and boom, there you go. So that's how you use ChatGPT to write essays. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or come across any problem whatsoever, then let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to help you out in any way I can as soon as possible. And also, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel. Your support to the channel means a lot. And also share this video with your friends and family members if they enjoy this type of content and would like to know how to make money online, or just simply want to know how a particular software or website works. We post these types of videos daily, so you don't have to worry about running out of content. You will get new content every single day, so don't worry about it. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.